Hello, in front of me I've got Lamzu Atlantis Mini. In this video I'll show you how to create and assign macro. In the beginning, let's go to Lamzu App and configuration. Go to macro and now select macro mode. You can select automatic insertion delay, default time delay, cycle until key released and pressed, and until this key pressed. Next you can change times of cycle and insert action. Now create new macro, enter name and start recording. Record your macro and now stop recording and save. To assign it, select button you would like to assign it to and select macro and select your macro. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.